Good morning, students. Our subject name is Python programming and course code is 23 ITP 202. First unit is introduction. Let me see the introductions. First, the overview of Python. Python is nothing but is a high-level interpreted programming language, and it is also created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. It's popular because of a simple syntax and versatility. Simple syntax means we can able to easy to read and write, and versatility is used in many fields like AI, web development, and automations. Here some programming paradigms is there. Procedural, object oriented, and functional. Procedural is nothing but you write a code step by step. Let me see. Write a code step by step, given a list of instruction. It is best for a small task and straightforward problems. Let me see the examples of add two numbers. When we adding two numbers, it is easily give a defined function add a comma b. Then return a plus b means it add the a and b the number and give the answer. These are the things in procedural. And object oriented programming means we create an object to represent real things first. Objects have data, actions. Objects have data and actions are there. In data variables, it's nothing but is attributes, and actions is nothing but the method, and it is also best for a large program, and also we can use it to reuse and structured code. Here we take an example to create a student who say their name. Class student def int self comma name means self dot name is equal to name. S1 dot that means S1 is equal to student of PQ Anu. We want to show the output means S1 dot show. It gives the output student is a class and S1 is an object of the class, like that it gives. Then it is a let me move for a functional programming. Functional programming is nothing but we use a small function to the data to process the data. We can't able to change the original data. We create a once instead. It is best for a clean and mathematics style logic, and also is used for a data transformation. Here we give examples of how to create a list of squares. We already know the numbers is equal to, you want to give a variable numbers is equal to, we want to give a value 1, 2, 3. Then we give a formula for the square is equal to list of map lambda x is to x into x comma numbers. This is a formula for the square, and we want to give print square means it prints the values and gives the features. And next we move for a key features of Python. Here easy to learn and use means here is a simple syntax like English. Large standard library means we want to ready to use module like math, date, time, etc. And here interrupted and interactive means runs line by line, quick testing in shell. Like that we use an interrupted and interactive. Platform independent means is nothing but it is used on Windows, Linux and Mac, anything. And strong community support means it helps from a big active user base. And rich libraries means it support as AI, ML, data science like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow. Next, why Python for engineering? Here we give a more explanations about the key features. Here easy to learn means Python has clean and readable syntax. Code also it resembles like lines in English, make it beginner friendly, user friendly like that. We want to give some print functions means print hello comma world. Let we give only these statements to print the hello world. It means printer. We didn't give any header files like that. We didn't give directly. We give the statement print hello comma world. And also Python is interpreted line by line at runtime. When we give a run button, it interpreted a line by line. So no need for compiling the code before running. We didn't want any compile function. We didn't give any compile function to before running. And also it makes debugging easier. We can easy to find the error in the Python language, and also I already said that it is a user friendly. and it's a dynamical type. The dynamic type is nothing but we need to declare the data type of variable. Here we, for example, we take a C programming, we want to give the integer a is equal to 10, like that we want to give, and a float something b is equal to 3.5, like that we want to give. But here it takes itself, we not to declare any data type of variables name. We give x is equal to 10, it's take as a integer, and we give x is equal to hello means it's take as a string, like that. And also it is a high level language, and also it manages memory allocations and deallocations automatically, and it does not need to worry about a low level details like pointers. And also we said that it is an extensive standard library. Extensive standard libraries is nothing but it's a rich set of built-in modules and packages. For example, math, datetime, OS, random, JSON, like that, etc. like that. And also it is a portable. How we can tell it is a portable means Python code can run on any operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac OS without changes. We want to write once, run anywhere. That means we want to write a code once, we want to run in any platform like Windows, Linux, Mac OS. And also it is object oriented and procedural because it supports the OOPS concept and procedural programming. We can define classes and objects or write simple functions. And also we tells that is a large community support because it gives a huge developer community, plenty of resources, and it is also open source. It is a freely available to download and use and modify. We can able to use and we can use to modify anytime and anywhere. Many tools and libraries also open source in the Python. Thank you.